Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Epic Games Launcher setup Wizard Ended Prematurely on Windows 11 or Windows 10 or whatever Windows you are using. This is going to work. This is very easy tutorial. Now I'm going to start with like very basic things that you can do, because that's probably all you need to do to fix this problem. Now you can, if you downloaded Epic Games from their official website, that's probably the reason why you have this problem. You can download it, for example, from Microsoft Store. Just click on Microsoft Store at the very bottom, or you can just search here for Microsoft Store and then click on it. Okay, and then you want to search for Epic Games, and then you can download it here, and the problem is going to be resolved. Okay, so that's all you need to do most of the time, to download this. If it doesn't work, or for some reason you cannot download Epic Games from Microsoft Store, just another step or another method to fix this problem is to change the password of your Epic Games account. Now you just need to search for change password Epic Games, and then you want to change the password. Most of the time that's all you need to do, guys, to fix this problem. Okay, so after you change the password, then the problem is going to be resolved. Just turn off your laptop and turn it on again. Now if it doesn't work, then what you guys need to do, you want to go to your files on your PC, and then click on this PC, and then click on C drive, this C, as you can see. You want to click on C, click on it, and then click on program files x86, click on it, and then search here for Epic Games. Okay, so after you find here Epic Games, you want to right click and then click on delete. Okay, after you delete it, guys, after you delete it, go back and then click on program files and do the exact same thing. Search here for Epic Games and delete that file. Okay, and the problem is going to be solved after you do this. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments if the problem is still there. I will show you other solutions, guys, in the comments. Just let me know in the comments and drop a like. That would be highly appreciated, and see you guys next tutorial. Have a good day. Drop your comments below.